Simplify x to the negative 2. So we normally don't have negative exponents, so we have to learn how to change them into positive ones. And the way we do that is we know that if we have something raised to the negative power, we rewrite it this way. Okay? So we put it under the 1, and then the power becomes positive. So in this case, since we have x to the negative 2, that's the same thing as 1 over x squared. We're just following the same exact rule. Y to the negative third becomes 1 over y to the third. Same rule. Simplify 2a to the fifth, 4a to the sixth. So let's take a look at this one. We're dividing, so we have to use our quotient rule. 2/4 is reduced to 1 half. And then we take our a to the fifth divided by a to the sixth, which is the same thing as a 5 minus 6, which happens to be a negative exponent. So this would be represented as 1 over a. So we just put the a here at the bottom. So 1/2 a would be your answer. So typically when we have these kind of questions here, if the exponent turns out to be negative, we will put it in the denominator, the variable. And if it turns out to be positive, so if this was an a to the fifth, a to the third, for example, we would put a squared up in the numerator. Okay, so that's an easy little trick. If it comes out negative, that variable is going to go down in the denominator for this reason. Okay, because we have to convert it, and when we convert it, these come down into the denominator. But if it's positive, it's going to stay up in the numerator. That was just an example, so I don't want to confuse everybody.